Kendra, it's Rachel here. Just want to say thank you for the Amazon Sharks course. Since I bought the course, my sales have actually gone crazy. I was selling on Amazon before I bought your course, and I thought I knew it all. However, I bought your course, did it till the end, and there was so much more stuff I didn't even know you could do on Amazon. So I'll show you my sales now. These are my sales for 30 days. However, since finishing the course, my sales went that crazy I didn't anticipate. I basically ran out so I've run out of stock for the last couple of months. But luckily in August I took a screenshot of my sales, what they were doing before I ran out. And as you can see there, I was doing 18,500 a month, which is actually crazy to think about it. Since doing the course, I had to register for VAT, and also my accountant suggested that my company goes limited, so I'm now actually a director of my own company, which is crazy to think that since January I'm now a director of my own company. So yeah, it was definitely worth every penny, and I definitely recommend anyone joining the course. Thank you.